Hello and welcome back to Salesforce Hulk. In today's video, we will explore 6 reasons why Salesforce will continue to be the top CRM in 2023. So whether you are a business owner looking for the best CRM or an aspiring Salesforce enthusiast, this video is for you. The first reason is flexibility and customization that Salesforce offers. As a business, you need a CRM that adapts to your unique needs, not the other way around. With Salesforce, you can customize the platform to match your business process seamlessly. You can tailor workflows, automate tasks, and create intuitive dashboards that empower your team to work efficiently, and therefore, it sets you free to operate at your best. Second reason is intuitive user interface that Salesforce provides. The power of a CRM lies in its ease of use, and Salesforce delivers on that front. Its intuitive user interface is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it effortless for your team to navigate the platform. With a clean and modern design, Salesforce empowers your employees to access critical information and insights with ease. This means more productivity, few hurdles, and more time to focus on what truly matters, and that is growing your business. Third reason is mobile accessibility. In the fast-paced world of business, being able to access your CRM on the go is a game changer. Salesforce recognizes this need and offers a powerful mobile app that puts the CRM in the palm of your hand, which will help us to manage leads, opportunities, and accounts from anywhere at any time. No matter where you are, you can stay connected to your business, making quick decisions and seizing opportunities as they arise. The fourth reason is AppExchange. We all know that no CRM can do everything on its own. This is where Salesforce AppExchange come in to save the day. It's a vast marketplace filled with thousands of third-party apps that seamlessly integrate with Salesforce. If you want to enhance your CRM capabilities, simply browse through the AppExchange and find the perfect app to add the new features and functionality that cater to your specific business needs. So it allows you to use the power of customization without the burden of extensive development efforts. The reason is advanced analytics. Data is the backbone of every successful business decisions, and Salesforce offers you the tool to turn the data into actionable insights. Its advanced analytic capabilities empower you to deep dive into your business data and derive valuable insights. With Salesforce reporting and dashboard tools, you can create comprehensive visualization that help you to understand your business like never before. You can make data-driven decisions that propel your business forward and stay ahead of the competition. Sixth and the last reason is collaboration. A successful business thrives on effective communication and teamwork. Salesforce understands this crucial aspect and brings you its collaboration tool known as Chatter. Chatter enables real-time communication and collaboration among your team members. You can share files, brainstorm ideas, and work together seamlessly towards achieving your goals. So as we all know, Salesforce has earned its reputation as the best CRM in 2023 for a reason. With its flexibility, intuitive interface, mobile accessibility, AppExchange marketplace, advanced analytics, and collaboration tools, it empowers business to grow, thrive, and succeed like never before. If you found this video insightful, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment below on which topic you want our next video.